Hey, what's up? What's up to travelers? I am Ferdas, one of your travel buddies. Today we are facing pandemic COVID-19. So during this quarantine times, I have some ideas I'm gonna share to you. That's while quarantine time you can cook many type of dishes. So today our menu is banana trees curry. So in Lombok, banana trees curry, we call it ares. Ares is one of the most favorite Lombok traditional food. So here I'm gonna explain to you step by step how to cook it. Well guys, this is the first step. This one is you have to identify which one you have to cut. You have to find out the best age of the trees. It's like this one or like this one. The trees that has the fruits already like this, you cannot cook it because you can take the fruit. It's very nice guys, trust me. So this one is the best age of the trees, so you have to cut the trees. So here guys, the second step, you have to cut all the leaves, and then after that you have to peel off the trees of bananas until you find the softest part of the stalk of the banana trees like this, and then you have to cut it. So here we are guys, this is the third step. When you slice the banana trees, sure you don't slice it too small, so like this size. Well guys, after you slice it like this, you have to take out all the fibers, so whatever you call fibers in English, you have to take out of the banana trees before you wash it. After you slice it and then you clean, so you have to put salt. You put it like a face of salt, and then you have to put the water until all the banana trees is sink. You have to put more, 1 piece and half salt, and then you have to press it. Mix all. The function of doing this is to make this banana trees become tasty, and then to take out the sap from the bananas. Well guys, after this you have to throw the water, and then so you have to repeat this one twice. Here I'm gonna explain to you what is the ingredients that you need. First you need garlic, second one is you need shallot, third one you need chili pepper, and then ginger. So this one, ginger, whatever. And this one, turmeric. And this one is galangal. And this one, salam leaves. And this one, coriander. And this one, candle nut. And see this one, pepper. Guys, this is the ingredients, all the ingredients which already has been blended. Additional ingredients from coconut milk or coconut extract. Now we are start to cook guys. Continue to the next step. You provide a pan and then put 3 spoons of fried oil. Then you turn on the stove with a little bit fire guys. Okay, don't forget to put 3 spoons of fried oil. Well guys, now the oil is already hot. Now you're pouring all the ingredients for the pan. So when you smell good from the sauce, from the ingredient, you have to pouring the ares or banana trees. Yeah, it's gonna be very smell good guys. And then after that you put the salam leaves. See, after all the banana trees mixed together with the ingredients, then you put the salam leaves. Well guys, after you see the boil, and then you pouring the coconut milk, And then you have to add a teaspoon of sugar, and then salt, mix together with all. It smells delicious, guys. Well, guys, when you're waiting these dishes until boiled, you have to stirring once to make it mix together. When you're waiting until it's boiled and then you stir it, don't forget to taste it once. That if there's less of sugar or salt, you can add some more. Put it here. Testing. Wow! Amateur video. Guys, this is the final. This is the fried shallot. You pour it on the top after you turn off the stove. Now time for lunch. Finally, we are in the last part of cooking banana cheese curry. So this is my simple lunch of local style. Oh, don't forget to try this at home. Whatever you want to know, please ask me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, guys, stay at home, stay healthy, stay safe, and then don't panic. See you next video, guys. Bye bye.